Hello, my name is Deblik Margarita and I'm a second-year student of Chernihiv Polytechnic National University, majoring in architecture and urban planning.
Hi, my name is Horvach Daria. I am a second-year student of Chernihiv Polytechnic National University, majoring in architecture and urban planning.
Hello, my name is Alena Budinova. I'm the second-year student of Chernihiv Polytechnic National University, majoring in architecture and urban planning.
Hello, my name is Ivantsova Victoria and I'm second-year student of Chernihiv Polytechnic National University, majoring in environment design.
Hello, my name is Yulia Yeremenko. I am a second-year student of Chernihiv Polytechnic National University, majoring in environment design.
Hello, my name is Oleferenko Varvara. I am a first-year student of Chernihiv Polytechnic National University, majoring in environment design.
The design object is a territory of the embankment of the Desna river. This area always be a place of attraction for people. While exploring the area, we saw people doing sports, fishing, walking, cycling, walking dogs, relaxing on the beach, and barbecuing. This facility occupies a large area between the city recreation park and the Predesnansky hotel. It is hardly used by the city administration due to its condition.
This area has natural landscape which provides ecological and aesthetics value, therefore it is unique for our city. That's why this space must be preserved and improved, because it has great potential for the development and preservation of the natural environment. It can become an important place for the rest and recreation, contributing to the improvement of the quality of life of the citizens.
After analyzing this situation, we developed a general concept of the park, which includes a system of footpaths and cycle paths, sports park areas, and recreation areas.
Pedestrian paths were developed with the aim of increasing the comfort of moving around the territory. Bicycle paths are designed separately from pedestrian paths, which make the movement of pedestrians and cyclists safer. Separate bicycle paths allow to create bicycle services where people can rent a bicycle for a walk.
The development of skate park allows people with common interests to be concentrating in one place. In this way, young people are encouraged to take part in active recreation. This is also the development of the sports in Chernihiv.
The main prospects of the yacht club are the development of the cultural and tourist life, adding variety of sport and recreation. Also, it turns encouraging investors.
The presence of houses for two people and for families allows to attract different categories of guests, from couples to large families. Placement of houses on this territory allows to enjoy the beauty and promote health. Houses for families help to straighten family ties through joy, rest, and activities.
The playground creates a safe place for children to play under the supervision of adults. Since there are no playgrounds nearby, it will be a good place for children to relax. Parks with playgrounds become more attractive for families with children, which contributes to the development of local infrastructure.
Creating a park for dog walking will provide a safe and comfortable space for owners and their pets. The dog training area helps to increase the level of responsibility of the owners and improve the socialization of the dogs. Creating favorable conditions for walking and training dogs will increase the attractiveness of the park for pet owners.